You are not supposed to despise your days of little beginning. Yes, take a good look at this structure. This is a pen house for the pigs. Yeah, it's not until when you have billions of naira that you can start a pig farming business. The main aim is just to have a shelter for those animals, and by the time you have grown in the business, you can eventually spend heavily on the structures. I always frown at people that spend heavily on constructing modern looking structure, whereas the kind of animals they have on their farm is nothing but local breeds, if I'm permitted to say. Although there's nothing like a local breed, but what I mean is they stock rubbish on their farm. Can you see the roof here? Look at the kind of planks they use. This is not even, this is something they went into the bush to cut down trees, and there you go, they have it. They have a shelter. No matter the kind of animal you put here, be it the most expensive animal, they will thrive because there is a shelter. There's something over their head, and they can be fed, they can be taken care of here. But if you spend like 20 million naira erecting structures, and at the end of it all you stock rubbish on your farm, don't be surprised that somebody using this kind of planks to raise their animals will still be more profitable than you using millions of naira to construct without having good animals on your farm. So what I'm saying in essence is, for those people asking me how much to start a pig farm, this is an idea for you. Look at how robust this animal is. Look at it. The animal is doing fine. The room is spacious, well ventilated, and you know what? This kind of animal, they are the type of animal some of your so-called experts, they go to these farms to buy, they rebrand it for you. What you are saying, don't you like it? Yeah, they are good looking, they are well taken care of. So enough is enough, Jerry. Let me not, but